this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a low quality video to 1080p HD on your Android device. So what you need to do is go ahead and download this app called Video Converter Compressor MP4 3GP MKV MOV AVI. So that's a quite long name, but go download this app and then click on open. And I'm going to show you how it works. So it's pretty simple. In the top left, you'll see Video Converter. You're going to click on that. Then tap here to explore files from phone. And then click right there. So I'm going to select this video at the top right there. You can see it's 4 MB. If I click on that, you'll also see that the resolution is 240p, right? 240p. So what you can do is click on it, then select 1080p right there, then click convert, then just change the name, click on start now, which is over there, and there we go. It's now doing the conversion. So it's 41, 50%, 60, shouldn't take too long, and let's see, almost 100. Is it complete? There we go. So it's now 1080p. I'll prove that by going back, tapping right there. We can see the video over here, and then you'll see that the resolution is 1080p. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.